Hello friends, let's take a look at the all-new Mercedes CLE 2024. Will be available in convertible and coupe versions. The new CLE in a model lineup will replace two-door C-Class and E-Class cars. The car will be built on a MRA2 architecture. Under the hood, in addition to conventional power units, will be a sports version of AMG 63. 4-cylinder 2.0 M139 engine with 476 horsepower combined with a 204 horsepower electric motor for a total output of 680 horsepower. It is known that the interior will be the same as a new C-Class. Now you can evaluate the car and choose the color you like. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, see you in the next videos.